The Stoic Shakedown is your source for hacks, methods, systems, and tricks from the Stoic philosophy to level up you and your life. Through articles, conversations, and lectures, we will explore creating a life of depth and meaning using the wisdom passed down through the ages from Cato, Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, and Seneca. In this video, we will be discussing and clearing up some common misconceptions about Stoicism, what it is and what it is not. Let's get to it. Stoicism is having a revival in the 21st century. In this current iteration, there are misconceptions as to what Stoicism is and is not. Stoicism isn't a self-help program. Its purpose isn't to increase your self-esteem or help you overcome shyness. Stoicism isn't a marriage counselor. Its purpose isn't to fix your marriage or to prevent you from getting a divorce. Stoicism isn't a business mentor. Its purpose isn't to make you into a millionaire or help you think of new business ideas. Stoicism isn't going to help you find freedom. The Stoics were determinists, which means they believed fate has already ordained your life outcome. Stoicism isn't a program to turn into an emotionless, stone-faced hardass. Stoicism isn't concerned with your happiness, as happiness isn't a cardinal virtue. What is Stoicism? Stoicism is a philosophical school of thought, word, and deed that is designed to turn you into a virtuous and rational human being so you can be of use to your community. Stoicism is done in a community, as its very name derives from the stoika, which is the Greek word for porch. This porch or public place implies a building in a city filled with people, in a country, on a continent in the world, and that is where we enact the cardinal virtues of courage, wisdom, justice, and moderation so we can be better citizens, employees, siblings, partners, and people. By teaching you to think, speak, and act with virtue and rationality, you can achieve a state of eudaimonia, which is Greek for human flourishing. The result of enacting cardinal virtue with sufficient vigor and achieving eudaimonia is that pursuits of externals such as marriages, jobs, money, self-esteem, and even happiness no longer define you as a person, but rather how you conduct yourself in your life and the world. When you pursue this, you are well on your way to sagehood. That is what Stoicism is. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.